come down here. So I've got a bunch of bands. And then songs. One song is You Left Me, duet version. All right, is vocals 2. Let's put in the new line, why not? And then songs 2. Let's have 2 songs. I Want to Hold Your Hand is guitar 2, bass 1, vocals 1, and Emperor Sonata, keyboard 1. Let's split that on new lines to get our list. Okay, so now let's put everything together. Def everything. Yes, I should come up with a better name. All right. Of bands and songs is bands becomes read stuff of bands. Songs becomes read stuff of songs. I would actually do that, but I'm going to change this to make it a little clearer what's going on. In Python, variables don't have types, so I can take a list of strings and convert it to a dictionary of dictionaries and stuff it back in the same variable. I wouldn't worry about that, because I would say it's the same information, it's just being represented differently. Other people would look at that and go, you've lost me, right? So let's make it really clear that what we're getting as input is the textual representation, the lists of strings for the bands and the songs. We're converting it into that dictionary of dictionaries, band info and song info. We're going to say result equals compare all of band info and song info. And then for pair in result, print pair 0, pair 1. Down here, I will say everything of bands 2 and songs 2. Radiohead can play the Emperor Sonata. That seems unlikely. Oh, really? That seems frighteningly unlikely. What's that? It's okay, plan, test. Band info, Radiohead, Blur, song info, I Want to Hold Your Hand, the Emperor, keyboard 1. Okay, yep. Yeah, Radiohead has a keyboardist. The Emperor Sonata only requires keyboard. Given that pair, Radiohead can play the Emperor Sonata. Unexpected but true. Okay, not what I would have predicted looking at my data, but yes, in fact, that's the right answer in this case. Yeah, I could go back and I could test this one properly, check the output, but you see the pattern here. Okay, and I've built some reusable components. All right, reading in a file of that format. The dict includes, I might be able to use that in other places. All right. The compare all, okay, a little bit less likely. And then this, no, I probably won't be able to use this anywhere else, but it's only 5 lines. I'll show you one more trick and then we'll take a bit of a break. For band, song in result, print band, song. Yep. Let's go back and put it the way it was. Actually, I'll put both up side by each. For pair in result, print pair 0, song 0. You'll see this a lot in Python. I know that result is a list of pairs. Each pair has 2 elements. So I could say, give me back the first pair and I will get... Sorry, that code doesn't work, does it? I know that result is a list of pairs. So I could say, give me the first pair, assign it to that variable, and then get pair 0 and pair 1. Or, in Python, I could say, I know that each thing coming back from there is a pair of 2 values, so I'm just going to assign them to variables right away. That becomes the 0th element of first element of that. That becomes the first element of the first element of that. It's exactly the same code. It's just this is a lot easier to read. Right? Why do this when you can do that? How does this work? Well, let me fire up a Python interpreter.